Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to get two accounts on TikTok, two accounts or more accounts if you want. So the first step is go to TikTok, and here in your app you need to go to the option of your profile, and here in your profile you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. And you need to go here in your name. And like you see, I got one account in the Switch account. So if you want to get one, two, or more accounts, the only thing you need to do is pick in add account and log that account in the TikTok. So you can use their email, phone, Facebook, or Google. But this is the process. You pick in Google, for example, and after that, the only thing you need to do is choose the email with that account, the account you want to log in, and that's it. You complete the process. So this is the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.